Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a nutshell, Americans get out of our country as soon as possible under the agreement. Because in the long war of 20 years, both sides have suffered a lot. It is now imperative that the agreement reached by the parties be implemented. God willing, if they do not abide by the agreement, they will be responsible for the killing in the next war. Praise be to Allah that we are Muslim, just as we know how to keep our word, and we also know how to fight for our defense. Just as in a state of weakness, we have fought for our defense and the establishment of the Islamic system. In the same way, our militaries and martyrdom forces are more organized than ever, awaiting the order of their Amir and the establishment of the Islamic system through all around the world.
Takbir! Takbir!